Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over Oasis ROSE, which is a privacy-enabled, scalable Layer 1 smart contract blockchain that is backed by some of the biggest VCs in the cryptocurrency industry, meaning they have a lot of capital to grow their ecosystem and make Oasis ROSE a great project that has lasting legs into the future. So in this video, I'll be going over what Oasis is, how they are growing their ecosystem, as well as the token's price potential. If that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of the video. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. Taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, right now the market cap is $1.1 trillion, with Bitcoin trading at $22,843. It has been in consolidation here for some time. If we do get a pullback, that will be a great opportunity to get some better entries on altcoins such as Oasis ROSE. Right now, ROSE is trading for 5.4 cents, sitting at rank number 148 in the market cap, with an overall market cap of only $274.6 million. All right, so not even a $300 million market cap here. And this is one of the most backed tokens in the cryptocurrency space by the big VC firms. I'll be going over that in just one moment. For now, let's focus on the tokenomics of the ROSE token. So the circulating supply of ROSE is 5 billion with a total maximum supply of 10 billion. So that's around 50% of the tokens currently in circulation. Now, when it comes to the price history, ROSE is down 90.9% from its all-time high, and that was at 59 cents, right? It hit its all-time low at 3 cents, and more recently, I'll show you the price chart in a moment, but at the start of 2023, just a few weeks ago, right on January 1st, this was at 3.4 cents. Now it's at 5.4 cents. So it has not 2x'd from its bottom. I'll be covering my price speculation towards the end of the video, so be sure to stick with me until the very end. Right now, let's just kind of focus on what Oasis ROSE is. So as a network, Oasis is a leading privacy-enabled and scalable Layer 1 blockchain, and it combines high throughput and low gas fees with secure architecture to provide a next-generation foundation for Web3 and will power DeFi, GameFi, NFTs, metaverse, data tokenization, and data DAOs. So this is an all-in-one Layer 1 blockchain essentially, and it has some major privacy components as well. So a lot is going for ROSE when it comes to the crypto narratives. Artificial intelligence, they have some major partnerships with Meta. I'll show you that right now, as we can see right here. In their partnerships, we can see that Oasis Labs partners with Meta, formerly known as Facebook, to assess fairness for its artificial intelligence models. All right, so they are officially partnered with Meta Artificial Intelligence, and they also have some privacy components going forward as well. So that's two narratives that are, right now, artificial intelligence is going wild in crypto, and privacy has not taken off yet, but it will. It most definitely will. And ROSE has both of those bases covered. Now, that's not all. ROSE actually has a major ecosystem fund so that developers can grow this ecosystem into something that is impactful and that actually gets used. We can read that right here. Oasis propels Web3 forward, scaling it and evolving it from infancy to maturity. Supported by top industry backers, Oasis recently announced the $235 million ecosystem fund to support projects to build on the network. Oasis Labs, the ecosystem technical contributor, has partnered with the likes of Meta, BMW Group, and others to build platforms and products that further individual privacy protection, data governance, and responsible data use. So Oasis ROSE is no joke. This is a serious project, and it has a bright future ahead, in my opinion. Now, just going over what happened in 2022 very quickly, Oasis had some big growth despite the bear market. So first of all, they had some big partnerships, Meta, Equifax, Genetica, some big alliances such as the Blockchain Game Alliance, as well as the Universal Privacy Alliance. So also, this is going to be a big blockchain for GameFi, metaverse, right? Once projects start building their games on Oasis ROSE, that should only be a beneficial thing for the token price. Also, when it comes to the products, the Sapphire Paradigm, the Oasis Privacy Layer, which is big, and then confidential NFTs. So a lot did happen with Oasis in 2022. We can read here, the Sapphire became our crown jewel this year. The industry-first confidential EVM paradigm changed the game for Solidity developers, enabling them to build privacy-enabled, decentralized applications in a flash. This is major. Sapphire also powers the Oasis privacy layer. Any decentralized application on any Ethereum virtual machine chain can access privacy and offer confidentiality to users like never before, all in under 15 minutes without the need for cross-chain migration. So that's major right there. Privacy-focused decentralized applications. Also confidential NFTs. We can read right here. Confidential NFTs on Oasis are a groundbreaking innovation to enhance utility of NFTs. In March of 2022, they announced a partnership with Genetica, a leading genomics company, to build a better data economy. Confidential NFTs became a popular distinctive technology on Emerald, being integrated to projects like MBuddy, Genish, Protocol, Siberia NFTs, and the Leviathan's Curse NFTs. Personally, I don't know what any of those NFTs are, but sounds encouraging, right? Smash that like button if you do agree. All right, so we're covering the fundamentals of Oasis ROSE right now, and clearly this is no joke, right? $235 million to build out their ecosystem. This is backed by some big money. They have their hackathons where all the developers get together and build out the network and build decentralized applications to use. Long story short, this has a bright future ahead. Let's cover that in the 2023 roadmap. All right, so here's what you can expect from Oasis in 2023. They're going to launch the Oasis privacy layer on Sapphire. They are going to be laying groundwork for a trustless bridge to Ethereum. Once that happens, a lot of capital is going to be flowing in to the Oasis ROSE blockchain from Ethereum. That's going to be big. A new Oasis Explorer that supports Sapphire. Again, Sapphire is that privacy layer. Leveraging MetaMask snaps for an improved wallet experience, improving the robustness and security of Oasis Core. All right, so a lot of focus on just continuing to build out the network. They want to get an Ethereum bridge in place. They want a better wallet, etc., etc., etc. So a lot to look forward to this year. And when it comes to who's backing Oasis ROSE, we can see right here some of the backers: Dragonfly, Binance Labs, Excel, Foundation Capital, the House Fund, NGC, A16Z. So some very Polychain Capital, pretty much the biggest VCs, venture capitalists in the cryptocurrency space, Electric Capital, Pantera. So some very big backers, some very big money involved. This project is no joke at all. Layer 1 blockchain with a bright future ahead. Let's talk about the token price. So it bottomed out over here. In my opinion, this is going to be the bottom. I don't see it going lower than 3.3 cents down here. If it does, that's going to be a better opportunity to buy it, but I doubt the market gives that to us because everybody wants it. So I doubt the market will give it. That's just kind of how it works. So the bottom was over here at 3.3 cents. Now we are trading at 5.4 cents. If you do notice over here, when the market was initially crashing in 2022, over here in May, we had a very long wick down. At the time, this looked like a capitulation move with a major downswing into it. But we did actually end up going lower, quite a bit lower actually from that price. We went another 40% lower from that May wick. Now, if you look at where price is currently at, we are at that same exact level that price stopped at in May during that initial crypto contagion. All right, so we are at a major support resistance flip level here at 5.4 cents. I do believe that as soon as 5.5 cents gets flipped back into support, it's going to start running. This really has not started to run at all compared to a lot of the other altcoins in the market. So is 5.4 cents a good price level to buy it? Personally, yes, I do think it is. That is not financial advice, but I do think it can also go lower. So let's talk about that right now. The main area of interest lower, well, you have this previous resistance level. I'll put a blue dotted line right here. That is at 4.7, 4.8 cents. And then you have this demand zone, and that is at 4.5 cents. Right, so any move lower back to like 4.8 to 4.5 cents, that's going to be a buy. And then really anything under this level, right? This is just a major resistance level. Once it gets cleared, it's going to start running. Not financial advice, but the chart is definitely speaking to the fact that it wants to break out here. Of course, if Bitcoin does pull back, that will give us better entries. So again, your lower entries, 4.8, 4.5 cents. If we get back sub 4 cents, definitely a buy for me. Not sure if it is for you because you need to make your own decisions. But we go back below 4 cents, that is a strong buy for me. And like I said, even right now at 5.4 cents, it has not started to take off yet. You're not buying the bottom. It is up, slightly from the bottom. It's up to a solid 60%. But that doesn't mean there's not money to be made on this, because if you look at where it's been, if we zoom out to the weekly price chart, this thing's been as high as 59 cents. And right now, it is really kind of not taken off at all. It is at the same exact price level that it was over here in July of 2021 during that summertime correction. And then from this level, it went ahead and it made an all-time high at 59 cents at 10x. So yes, I am in the camp that Oasis will make its way back up towards this all-time high prices. But that doesn't mean you should just hold it. You should definitely consider taking some profit along the way, especially if you go in with size. You definitely want to, take some profits along the way, and then you can reallocate that to other projects. But anyway, over here at 17 cents does look like a promising level that we'll probably pull back a bit at. 15 to 17 cents could be a good first area to realize some profits. And then we have another one over here at around 30 cents. And then we start getting into the 40 to 50 cent region, right? Those are all good areas to go ahead and take profit. But let's talk about a price prediction for Oasis ROSE. How high can this actually go? So in order to go over this price prediction, we're going to be using the coin perspective just to compare market caps. So personally, I think $1 is a reasonable price level for Oasis to get to. So in order for Oasis to get to $1, that's going to be around an 18x in price, and it needs a market cap of $5 billion, $5.1 billion. That is very attainable in a bull market, right? Usually we get a bull market around or after the Bitcoin halving, which is in 2024. So do not think that this is just going to 18x overnight. No, this is going to take some time, but I do believe that a $5 billion market cap is attainable for Oasis, and that's going to be around an 18 to a 20x from the current price at 5.4 cents. Could Oasis go higher than that? Yes, I do think it can go higher than that, but that is my price prediction, $1. That's around an 18x from current price. Leave a comment down below if you agree or even disagree. I would love to hear your thoughts on Oasis ROSE. So in this video, we went over Oasis ROSE, which is a privacy-enabled, scalable Layer 1 smart contract blockchain that is backed by some very big VCs with a major ecosystem fund, $235 million at that, to build out the Oasis ecosystem. I went over what the project is, as well as where I think the ROSE token price is headed in the future. If you did like this video, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.